At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for trading stocks involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and planning. Research the legal and financial requirements for forming an LLC in your jurisdiction. Regulations may vary depending on where you live. Determine if forming an LLC is the right business structure for your trading activities. Consult with a financial advisor or attorney for personalized advice. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that is not already in use by another business in your state. You can check the availability of the name through your state's business entity registry. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the appropriate state agency. This typically involves providing basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. Pay any required filing fees. 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of the company. Include provisions related to how the LLC will handle trading activities, profit distribution, decision-making processes, and any other relevant matters.
5. Opting an Employer-Identifikation Number ein.
Apply for an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is necessary for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 6. Open a bank account. Use your LLC's EIN to open a separate bank account for your trading activities. Keeping your business finances separate from personal finances is essential for maintaining the limited liability protection of the LLC. 7. Comply with regulatory requirements. Depending on your jurisdiction and the nature of your trading activities, you may need to register with relevant regulatory agencies, such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Make sure to comply with any licensing or reporting requirements applicable to your trading activities. 8. Maintain records and compliance. Keep accurate records of your trading activities, financial transactions, and business expenses. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws, reporting requirements, or regulations that may affect your LLC. 9. Consider legal and tax implications. Consult with legal and tax professionals to ensure that your LLC structure and trading activities are compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. Understand the tax implications of trading through an LLC, including how profits and losses are reported for tax purposes. 10. Monitor and adapt. Regularly review the performance and structure of your LLC, making adjustments as needed to optimize your trading activities and comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Setting up an LLC for trading stocks involves legal, financial, and regulatory considerations, so it's essential to seek professional advice to ensure compliance and mitigate risks. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.